Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off Instagram notification from someone else's first post and stories. Alright guys, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and the first thing we're going to do is opening our Instagram profile. So we can tap on the profile button, and then we can tap on this three lines button on our profile, and then we have to select the settings and privacy. And on the settings and privacy, we have to select the notification setting. Okay, and then select the post, stories, and comments, and you're going to scroll down until you find the first post and stories, and make sure that you select the off option. Okay, and now the notification setting has been updated, and that's how we can turn off Instagram notification from someone else's first post and stories. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.